The ability to upload file is a very powerful feature in any web application. Therefore, in this tutorial we will learn how to upload files in ASP.NET Core web app. So let's start. First, open your Visual Studio. I am using 2022 community version. Click on new project, and here you have to be search for the template MVC, and then you will choose this ASP.NET Core web app using the MVC. Click on next, give it a suitable name, let's say file upload. Choose the directory where you want to be uploaded. I'm going to be uploaded into the D drive. Select folder and then click on create, and here you will see you have to choose the framework. I am using the 6.0, and based upon you can simply uncheck this, click on create. So it will create a sample application for you. So since we are using it, building it from the scratch, so simply go to the home controller, clean the controller code that you already get it in the template. Simply remove this logger and everything, we don't need it, and also go to your view, clean this. Okay, now we have empty application with a simple one controller and one action method index. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to be use over here is how we can upload a file using the IFormFiles. Okay, so what is IFormFile? In IFormFile is introduced into the .NET Core 1.0 version, with the help of which we can use this IFormFile interface to upload files into the ASP.NET Core web app. How we can upload this? Let's see it. So let's first quickly build our UI for this demo. For save our time, I have a UI ready. So let's simply copy this, and you will see, let's run this first. Let's see what we are going to be built it, or you can say what we are going to be achieve in this demo. So if we are talking about the file upload, there are two scenarios that we are covering up here. One is upload file using the jQuery Ajax call, and one is using the normal HTTP post call in ASP.NET Core web app. Okay, so this is the UI for uploading both the files in both the scenarios. Okay, so since our UI is ready, let's shift to the backend code. So we need two method to support our UI method calls, that is one for the Ajax upload and one for the normal upload. So let's quickly copy this to save our timing. I already have it with me, so let's go through with the definition in a moment. Let first copy this iWeb environment. So the first step on the server side is to inject this iWeb environment interface into your controller. So why we need it? We need it because whatever you are going to be uploaded into your application, it is stored into your www root folder. That's why we need to read its part, we need a iWeb environment interface. Okay, so let's assign it the value web environment. Okay, now here is the most important thing is the IFormFile. As I told you, IFormFile is firstly introduced into the Angular Core 1.0 version. Okay, it is imported from the Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.HTTP library. Okay, so next thing what is going to be, if we expand our method definitions for the Ajax upload, first of all you will see, let me zoom it for you. So here what we are expecting a list of multiple list of files that we are going to be uploaded to the server. Okay, firstly we are checking its count, then we are iterating through the each file that we want to be uploaded. Okay, and then what we are going to be, we are first creating its folder and checking it whether it is existed into the www root folder or not. Okay, if it is not, then we are going to be create it, then we are creating a new file path, and then we are copying it using the its stream that we are reading it from its file path. Okay, and similarly, after we done with the list of all the files that we are going to be uploaded, we are returning its response with the file names that is successfully uploaded. Okay, similarly, in the case of the http post normal, we are getting a file. For this, we are only uploading a single file. You can upload it the multiple one, don't worry. So first we are checking its null, and then we are checking its directories existed or not, and then we are creating its path, and finally reading its stream, we are copying it to the suitable folder. So here our server side code is ready to perform its action. Okay, now the next thing is we need to be create our script file to support our JavaScript function. To do this, let's copy our script section. So over here, okay, so in this script section is already defined in the master page underscore layout.chhtml page. So over there what I'm doing is I'm defining a btn upload on click method. In this, first I'm reading the file of my control, and then I'm defining a URL on which I want to upload it using the Ajax call, and then I'm preparing my form data that I'm going to be post it into my Ajax call. In this, I am simply reading all the files one by one and appending it into the files object. Okay, and then finally, after reading all the files and appending it into the form data, I am creating my Ajax call. I am defining its type, URL, and then the form data. And cache we don't need it here, and content type we have to be set it to the false, and also for the process data we have to be set the flag to false. And before sending to save our website, we are adding a anti-forgery token into our Ajax request, and then we are reading its success and the failure function. Okay, and for supporting this anti-forgery unique token, we need to be added in the UI HTML. Over here where we have this at the rate html dot anti-forgery token. Okay, so this will create a unique anti-forgery token. To support this, what we need to be do is in the program.cs we have to be tell our service we want to be append a anti-forgery token into our request. So simply we will tell our service into the ASP.NET web app we want to be add a anti-forgery token. Okay, so now since our Ajax method is ready and our code UI is also ready, and let's go through with the UI also. On the UI for the Ajax upload, we have simply a input control with the name file upload, and then we have a btn upload normal button. Okay, and for the http post we have a form method. You will see the difference in the Ajax, we don't have any form, it is normal a file upload control and a button. But in case of the http post, we have to be define a method post and then a action on which we have to be post it, and then your multi-part form data. This is the header that we have to be passed, otherwise our file is not being detected on the server side. Okay, now on this we have a control file to be uploaded that we are expecting it on our http post method. It is will be the same name id and the name that you want to be pass it to your server side method. Okay, and then we have a submit type button which will submit this form to the server side. So let's quickly test this, and let's also add a breakpoint to our methods so that we can debug this call. So here is the UI. First test this jQuery Ajax. So let's go to the folder where we have the images. So let's choose these first two images, Ajax upload and the Angular best practices. Let's open it. Click on the upload button. You will see on the files you will get the two list counts. Okay, so these are the two files that we have selected. Now first we will check the count. We have the count, then we are iterating through it. We will see our uploader file has the data in it. Yeah, it has the data. Now it's checking its media folder is present or not. It's not, so it's going to be created into the www root folder. Then it's added its name into the uploaded files, so that we will send it into the response. It is successfully uploaded. Now it's iterating through the second file. You will see, so both the files has been successfully copied, and now we are going to be return a success status with all the file names. And you will see a nice alert, Ajax upload png and the angular best practices.png is uploaded successfully to the server. Now if we go quickly to the www root folder, now we have a folder named the Ajax media upload. You will open it, you will see the two files has in it. Okay, so now next test the normal HTTP post. Choose any file, let's name it as configuration. I choose it. I click on upload. You will see I have a file in it with the name configuration. Same, we are checking the null. Now we are checking for the folder, it is not there. We are going to create it. File copied. Now we are redirecting to the index page. So if I go again there, you will see on the www root you have the folder name the http media upload and the file is there. Okay, so in this way you will see how we are going to be upload files in ASP.NET Core web app. One is with the Ajax call, one is the normal HTTP post control. In both the cases the main thing is the IFormFile, in which we are getting our uploaded file controls. And one thing, if you are using the normal HTTP post, you have to use the multi-part form encrypt tag in your form tag, otherwise your file is not being detected. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, post it into the comment section. Thanks.